Bhate. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, we are in a scenario where we are looking at the entire market space, giving us an entirely new perspective. So what are we doing and how are we facing the markets? Well, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो रही है, हम सोचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ट्रेड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी कामयाब कभी नाकामयाब, और इन सब के बीच हमें कोशिश करना है कि कैसे भी कहाँ से भी पैसे बनाए, राइट? That's what is our agenda, and as we are trying to set right our agenda and also find out what we need to do in this entire market space. So that's the whole idea here, and that's why in Market Ki Baatein I keep discussing about various kinds of market concepts, market phenomenon, which always intrigues the trader. क्योंकि हर एक ट्रेडर का एक एक मकसद होता है, एक तरीका होता है काम करने के लिए, और इस तरह काम करते करते they are having success, they are having failures, they are having rejections, and ऐसे करते करते everyone moves along in their trading journey. So today's topic of discussion is again very interesting, and I'm sure that many of us face this कि एक randomness, how does randomness affect the skills of a trader? क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि हर एक ट्रेडर में काबिलियत है. Every trader is skilled, every trader is skilled to participate in the market, and through the process of constant market participation, they are able to understand how the market is functioning and how they can enhance their skill set. And when you're going to do that, that's when you need to find out whether the process of randomness is setting in, right? So randomness की मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ, what is exactly randomness? Randomness का मतलब है it affects the traders community in there are two ways in which it affects. जो beginners है, जो मार्केट में आए हैं अभी कुछ ही साल, एक दो साल हो गए या कुछ ही महीनों पहले आए हैं, so it is a situation where they start experiencing a very good string of success, and they start to feel that they have got a hang of how the market is functioning and what kind of activities which they need to do. So they believe that they have got a good understanding about the markets. And when you start getting such an idea that yes, I have got a good understanding about the markets, probably you are not able to manage your rule sets properly. क्योंकि आपने कुछ किया और results आ गए, and because of which you tend to feel that yes, I have got an idea about how the market is functioning, how I should be taking a trade, and काम कैसे करना है. But come some months down the line, you find that whatever you were doing is not working. And when such things begin to happen, that means whatever success you experienced was out of some sheer luck. So what I'm trying to say here is that when you're going to go into the market and start doing things randomly, you are going to experience random results. And many people mistake their success to the random results. जैसे कि 2020 when the move happened, right? In 2020 when the move happened, it was fantastic, right? It was a fantastic move. But then come 2021, market was very different. It was not the same. So people who thought that making money was easy in 2020 have had challenges in 2021. Well, you will say Nifty is at a new high. Wow, so exciting. Nifty IT at a new high, so exciting. Bank Nifty is trying to go up. But then, are the people really happy? Are the people actually making money? That is the most important question which you need to ask. And why is it not happening? Why are the same people not able to make money? Because they are caught in the process of randomness. तो जो ट्रेडर जो है, स्किल के साथ साथ दे हैव टू अचीव कंसिस्टेंसी. जो ये रैंडमनेस है, it also affects the professional traders. यानी जिनके पास सिस्टम्स है, जिनके पास अच्छी प्रोसेसेस हैं, बट क्या हो जाता है कि ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ देयर ट्रेडिंग जर्नी दे कम अक्रॉस अ सिचुएशन वेयर दे हैव सम स्ट्रिंग ऑफ फेलियर्स, राइट? फेलियर्स तो सबके साथ होता है, बट देन दे स्टार्ट इमीडिएटली डाउटिंग ए the way they are trading the system, B the system itself, and C, and very dangerous one is they doubt themselves. So इसकी वजह से they start introducing changes into their system. How many of you have done that? June and July you were trying to use some system and you tried to do something with that, and you found out that you are not able to take out any money from the market. Instead you are giving it back to the market, right? So ऐसे करते करते what really happens is you tend to move away. You tend to move away and you start modifying your system. Why? Because you didn't have a process to follow that system diligently. तो जैसे कि आप पूछ रहे कि जब भी मार्केट का कंडीशन आपको सीखना चाहिए, it is not necessary that you have to be a professional or experienced trader. What matters is you got to solve this randomness. So randomness कैसे solve करेंगे, right? That's another important question. So randomness कैसे solve करेंगे? So the best way to solve randomness is first of all find out a method which will be suitable for you. तो आपको पहले डिटेक्ट करना है कि कौन से टाइप का मेथड मेरे स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेडिंग को सूट करेगा. बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ अस आर वॉन्डरिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अदर, लुकिंग अप वन बुक आफ्टर द अदर, वॉचिंग वन वीडियो आफ्टर द अदर टू फाइंड आउट सम सूटेबल मेथड. लेकिन सूटेबल मेथड, देयर इज नो वन फिक्स मेथड. देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स, देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स टू ट्रेड द सेम मेथड. सो यू गॉट टू फाइंड आउट विच इज योर मेथड. दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Second step is have a proper written rule कि आप कब एंट्री करेंगे, कब एग्जिट करेंगे, ताकि पता चले आपको कि मार्केट में जब ट्रेड आपके सामने आए whether it is satisfying a criteria or not. Otherwise you will always have this situation कि आपको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि आप कहाँ पर जा रहे हो, कभी सक्सेस कभी फेलियर, और उसके बाद आप बोलेंगे अरे भैया मार्केट में जाना ही नहीं है. आई एम श्योर दैट मेनी ऑफ यू आउट देयर फील दिस वे कि आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू द मार्केट, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, आई एम नॉट वेरी क्लियर. दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन इवन व्हेन निफ्टी गोज टू 1 lakh. It doesn't matter, the situation is going to be the same. What has to change is you. So how will you change? For you to change, you got to change through your randomness. आज एक मेथड ले लिया, 2 दिन चलाए, कल दूसरा मेथड ले लिया, उसको 2 दिन चलाए, तो ऐसे करते करते यू विल नेवर हैव कंसिस्टेंसी. एंड तीसरा चीज़ है कि आप जो भी ट्रेड से गुजरते हो, मेकिंग मनी और नॉट मेकिंग मनी, you should have it written down. So once you have it written down, you get to know exactly what have you done right and what have you done wrong. And when you start looking at it, it's like a diary. So you start looking at your trading journal, you get lot of insights into exactly आप कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. Your diary will be a reflection of the way you are interacting with the market. और तभी वो randomness will be reduced. Randomness can never be abolished, but randomness can definitely be reduced. And when you reduce the randomness, the probability of you making money in the market also increases. That's what I've seen. Many of you have a lot of good setups, but when it comes to the market, अप्लाई करते वक्त यू आर रैंडम. कभी आप रिजल्ट्स के साथ रैंडम हो जाते हैं बिकॉज यू हैव अ स्ट्रिंग ऑफ फेलियर्स, यू से दैट दिस मेथड डज नॉट वर्क, राइट. तो ऐसे काम करेंगे तो फिर सक्सेस विल नेवर कम टू यू. फॉर अचीविंग सक्सेस इन द मार्केट, you got to be consistent with some methods, you got to run it for some time, you got to take out that data You got to see how you applied that data, what was the market condition, and all those things makes a very very big difference to the way you are perceiving the market. So how many of you out there are facing such situation कि हर वक्त आपको पता नहीं है कि मार्केट में हो रहा क्या है और रैंडमली काम कर रहे हो? आज ये मेथड ले लिया, कल दूसरा मेथड ले लिया, कभी डेली ट्रेडिंग, कभी मल्टी डे ट्रेडिंग. तो ऐसे करते करते एंड में क्या हो जाता है, आपका जो कैपिटल है वो डिप्लीट हो जाता है. एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, हाउ टू रिटेन योर कैपिटल. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट कैपिटल, इट कुड बी आइदर योर मेंटल कैपिटल और फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल. फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल ठीक है, कैसे भी आपको आ जाएगा. यू विल बी एबल टू accumulate certain funds and you will be able to get your financial capital. But what about the mental capital? जो randomness की वजह से जो आपका mental capital जो है, if that gets disturbed, then it is very challenging. It's very challenging to come back into the market and then take the trade the same way. It's just like, somebody who has lost out at a big match. He has to recoup all his reserves, mental energy, and then come back. And that's what is very important, because trading is like a sport. You got to face it every day, and to ensure that you retain your stamina, you got to keep your mindset in the right direction. And to ensure that you're maintaining your mindset in the right direction, you got to reduce the number of times you are doubting yourself and the method. These two things are very important, you and the method. तो अगर आपके पास मेथड नहीं है तो आप हमेशा के लिए रैंडमली काम करोगे मार्केट में, और फिर यू विल फील दैट यस, मार्केट्स में अपॉर्चुनिटी है बट मार्केट इज नॉट फॉर मी. Okay, so when there is a result, you got to understand that there are a lot of result driven news flows. So when a result is coming up, so now for example the Q1 results are almost done. Yeah, it's almost done, the Q1 results. So now when the Q2 results are going to come up, you got to keep a watch for those results and then ensure that yes, the result season is coming up. So either I have a limited quantity or I have a wider stop loss, and track the flow. That's what is very important. So instead of taking fresh position, I just ahead of the results, wait for the results and then wait for the reaction to the results and then participate. That's the best way to look at it, so that you will reduce the randomness. That's how you got to reduce the randomness. You can reduce the randomness only when you have a process. So process काफ़ी ज़रूरी है, and this is what I cover as part of my training programs, where I show you various kinds of processes, and similar such processes का एक झलक मैं मेरे वेबिनार में भी दिखाता हूँ. If you guys are really keen to know how a simple process can reduce the randomness, you can check out the link in the bio and attend our free webinar. You'll get to know how to reduce the randomness, क्योंकि markets are continuously moving, right? So what is our objective? Our objective is to find out how can we participate, and how can we participate in a structured way. और जब तक आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होगा, you will always have challenges to come forward and put your money on the table. I hope all of you are getting some idea on how you need to do that. You could be a beginner, you could be a professional. Everyone needs a structure. Everyone needs a structure, and when you don't have a structure, one of the biggest problem is that you don't know what the market is trying to tell you. The market is always trying to tell you guys something. अभी काम करना है, अभी काम नहीं करना है. अभी काम करना है तो किस दिशा में करना है. Do you have to trade to the upside? Do you have to trade to the downside? And when the market is telling us, it's speaking the language of the price, right? But the problem is that we are not skilled enough to understand the language of the price. So the first step is improve your skill set. अपने skills को बढ़ाइए मार्केट के बारे में थोड़ा जानिए. अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू ऑल डोंट डू दैट, यू विल ऑलवेज हैव चैलेंजेस, क्योंकि आज पैसे बनाएंगे, कल पैसे गंवाएंगे, और इसके बीच जो मेंटल डिस्टर्बेंस होगा, दैट विल बी फार मोर डैमेजिंग देन एनीथिंग एल्स. So, okay, question on new traders. If you are new to the market, I would sincerely advise that first understand how the world of option functions, understand how a trade is getting executed, understand how to read the market condition, and then get into the world of options. Otherwise, it's quite easy to get swayed into the options world. काफ़ी सारे गणित जो दिखते हैं, जो स्क्रीन में दिखते हैं, जो काफ़ी सारे प्रिंट स्क्रीन्स दिखते हैं, ऑल ऑफ देम आर नॉट नेसेसरली ट्रू. सो डोंट गेट स्वेड बाय इट. जो आपका प्रिंट स्क्रीन है, दैट इज़ द रियल ट्रूथ. दूसरे का प्रिंट स्क्रीन से डोंट गेट स्वेड. फाइंड आउट हाउ टू डिफाइन योर ओन प्रिंट स्क्रीन एंड एंश्योर दैट यू आर एबल टू गेट द मार्केट रीडिंग राइट. Always focus on how to read the market reading. That's the whole important. If you're on the short side and the market crashes, good for you. You're going to make money. You only have to worry when it's on the other side. I'm just answering some questions here. EMA, कई तरह के EMA हैं. 20 EMA, 30 EMA, 13 EMA, काफ़ी सारे EMA का नंबर है, but 20 EMA is the most popular one. So when a 20 EMA is followed by many people, it's just like when एक झुंड है and many people are doing one thing, so naturally when that level breaks, either to the upside or the downside, there will be more follow through. So that is why 20 EMA is more popular. You can define your own EMA to suit your convenience. For that, you got to have a better understanding of the concept of EMA. Swing की काफ़ी अच्छे indicators हैं. You can use moving average crossovers. You can use pivots as well. So these two are one of the most strongest indicators for trading swings. There are many ways to trade options. You can trade it through price action as well. You can trade it through option Greeks as well. But what I would say is, before you enter into the world of options, first try and understand what is the underlying saying, what is the underlying trend in that particular stock, whether it's going to be range bound or is it going to have a trended move. And this is very well showcased by technical analysis, with whose help you will be able to get a measure of the price action. एक बार price action के बारे में आपको थोड़ी जानकारी मिल गई, it will always help you to delve deeper into the option Greeks, and you will be able to get a better sense of how to, if you want to do a strategy in options, you will be able to do a better strategy as well. So that's how I go about. Good question, Sameer. YouTube is the perfect place to become aware of. अगर आप YouTube में कोई भी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस टर्म डालेंगे तो आपको कम से कम 1 लाख वीडियो मिलेंगे. बट आपको ये सवाल करना है कि आप इंस्टाग्राम में भी इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब नहीं दे सकता, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड डू माई बेस्ट. एंड द सेम वे इन द यूट्यूब ऑल्सो, द यूट्यूबर इज नॉट obliged to give you an answer. But then when you do a course, it makes a very, very big difference, because the course is structured and the course is directed towards enabling you to become a better trader. YouTube does not take any accountability. YouTube में जब मैं भी वीडियो डालता हूँ, I have no accountability. I am just putting it there for awareness. जैसे कि आज मैं आप लोग के साथ बातचीत कर रहा हूँ, it is purely for awareness. But when I do my program, I become more accountable, and that's how I connect with all of you. That's the whole idea. So if you want to get more understanding about the markets, you want to trade better, then you should definitely look at some structured programs. We also conduct a lot of structured programs. So if you are interested to know more, you could send us a direct message and our team will get in touch with you. Or if you're interested to know how I go about, you can attend my free webinar. The link is there in the bio. That way you will get to know exactly structured learning का मतलब क्या है. That's the whole idea. Yes, NeoTrader is designed to cater to all types of market individuals. You will get option trades, you will get multi-day trades, you will get positional trades, you will get all types of trades in NeoTrader. Plus, those who are having an analytic bent of mind, we have designed NeoTrader to facilitate even the people who want to do analysis. And the main objective of NeoTrader goes down, automatically the chances of making money increases. That's the whole purpose of NeoTrader, and that's how it has been designed, and that's why it is getting a lot of popularity, because people are able to see how to participate in a structured way, either through NeoTrader or through our training. Every element of our organization is part of making a trader more and more efficient and proficient. Alright friends, I come to an end of today's edition. I hope you got some insight about the randomness part of the trader. I'm sure that you will get more insights as you keep connecting with me on our videos. Those who have not yet, go and take a look at our YouTube handle, Chart Advice Profit for You. That's the YouTube handle. You can go and take a look at that, and there are a lot of interesting videos out there. Alright, thank you then. Have a good day. We'll connect again soon on some other topic. Till then, keep watching. If you liked what you heard, do leave a like on the video. Do leave a comment on what was your key takeaway, and also save it as part of your feed so that you can keep watching it and stay connected with such thoughts. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off.